All stunts performed by or during the Stay Smiling videos are performed by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Some video is AI and filmed in Mexico. Please don't attempt to reenact or recreate any of the stunts seen in this film.
All right, dudes and dudettes, stay smiling here. It's Chad. It's going to be such a sick episode because we're getting back into Harleys.
I declare bankruptcy!
It is that time of year where we are going to be working on Harley Davidsons. We're going to be riding Harley Davidsons V-twin power. Yes, we have lots of dirt bike content coming up because we got the fresh gas. There's going to be so many amazing events, so many family awesome adventures, but check this out. Yeah, I know. That's the DYNA right now. But we got big news coming. We got new wheels. That's a little sneak peek. We have tins that we are going to pick up today. I got full custom painted tins from none other than Slickworks. Mike does an absolutely amazing job. I've had the honor of being able to tattoo him a few times lately. Super rad dude. He hooked up some paint for trade of tattoos. So we're gonna get this bike back together and hopefully be able to ride it in the next little bit here. The weather's absolutely forecasted to be garbage. So one step at a time, but we're just kind of mocking some things up. And in this video, if you stay tuned, you're gonna get to see a full makeover of my 2007 DYNA FXD B? It's a street bob, I don't fucking know. So we got the wheels mocked up. Obviously the bike is absolutely torn apart, but these wheels look absolutely insane. Big shout out to Service Hog and DNA Wheels for giving me a crazy deal on these things. It didn't really matter as much when I had the skinny wheel in the rear, but as you can see, my struts are super, well, at least this one is super bent. So I'm gonna stick a bar on that. Pull that over, maybe pull this one in a little bit and just try to get it more even. So when that we bolt that fender on, it's looking a little tidier and less cooked. But that's what happens when you kickflip a bike through a parking lot. Mike's house. Yeah, so like we're out here just going for a nice leisurely drive through this beautiful driveway, amazing forests, aka the Slickworks compound. We're picking up the tins right now. It's gonna be absolutely unreal. I'm really excited.
I'm excited for you.
It's kind of hard for me to explain how excited I am, but I'm pretty excited. We're cruising down here. Check out Mike's little car collection. Oh, look at him. Look at Mike. Mike is here, his beautiful car collection. I'm gonna steal that van from him one day. I'm just telling the viewers that I'm gonna take this drivetrain out and put it inside your nice 16 window.
Cool. Yeah, cool. I don't know if that's an option for you. Hi, viewers. Like and
Hi,
subscribe.
Mike.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, bud, how you doing? Hi. You're bigger than when I saw you last.
Much bigger.
Much bigger. Okay, we'll pull up.
You excited?
Roll, please.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Holy cow.
Right? Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a little bit nicer.
Holy.
Like a whole lot nicer. Do you like it, Lila?
Woo, look at
What do
that.
you think? It says your name.
What does that say? Don't touch.
Lila.
Nice.
No touching.
And there isn't even rubber inside the fender.
No. Can you believe that? I usually would do like a gravel guard on the inside, but I didn't think you were too concerned.
No.
Wow.
Nice, right?
Sick.
How about it?
Thank you, Mike.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, pagan gold, my favorite candy color ever.
Nice.
You
Did
got
you even
States
clean
Line.
up the? You kind of even cleaned up the holes that I cut.
Sort of. I don't really do much there.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, that's for you.
Sick. Dude, it looks so sick. The car looks sick.
Well, that'll heat. I haven't fired this thing up in a long time.
Ready, Lila?
Yeah. Looks are gonna be.
It might be a little bit loud.
Just take a listen, take a listen. Do not try this at home and hope you like it. Whoop, whoop.
No steering wheel on it. And your parts right there. Perfect. Dude stuff. Huh? I said dude's doing dude stuff. It's okay, it's only your nice lowrider wheels.
I let off it just in the nick of time. Oh, it smells good. I always say, before I do a burnout in the shop, I want to like hang all my fresh laundry from the ceiling and close all the doors, just do a burnout and just let it.
Yeah, that's
You
not
know?
a bad idea.
Yeah.
So what wheels are going on this?
It was supposed to be those skinnies over there, but there's too much, like the wheel to the tire acts as an axis, so around a corner it just rolls over.
Oh,
so my
okay.
tire lettering that I'm putting on them wouldn't work, so I got these guys. So that's what's going to go on there. So we got the wider front tires, and then the back tires are they're on order right now, but they're 295 50/15s. So
For those wheels?
yeah, so they're just like a hair skinnier than these guys.
Yeah,
So
the big meats.
the big meats. Yeah. And it turns out these tires from 1988 are probably the last superchargers in a 14 and a 12-inch wide in existence. So I'm gonna keep those nice.
Never know who might want to spend big money for them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or what kind of muscle car van they could go on.
No.
No. It is a beautiful day today, let me tell you. The sun is shining. Look at it, it's hitting my face. It's making this morning eye bags look maybe a little bit better. Still not looking too rough. Dad's skateboard collection, because, you know, my dad's a fucking legend, all right? But you know what would make you a legend? If you hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below on how much you absolutely love our content. I know lots of you guys have been watching, so make sure to support the channel. It's super simple. All you gotta do is click a like, click a link, click a whatever hit a share, or comment below. But we are working on the DYNA today, and I want to get it started. I want to get this thing started today. It's gonna be so good. You gotta put the chain on, the outer primary. I forgot the primary seal in the minivan, which really sucks. I'm gonna do something different with the dash, because my dash is so smoked that I don't even really want to use it. But it's what I got, and I don't feel like spending the ridiculous money people want for a straight dash. So we're gonna make my bent dash look a little bit straight. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, we got the fresh chain, and I definitely shouldn't have put my primary on until I put this on. But now we're here, so I guess that's just the way she goes. I think I'm gonna need another jack stand so I can jack up the rear end. Well, we took a little intermission from working on the DYNA, and we got JK's big CRF 110 guy.
That was pretty sick. Did you get that?
No, I missed it, so you gotta do it again.
Yeah, that's
Oh, big hill climb guy. Nice. We're fucking ripping, dude. Oh, they're just skinny.
That's all you, brother.
No, you got that.
No! Dude, this thing's gonna go in the truck after. I fall into that puddle.
Dude, we're washing it.
Fuck yeah.
Oh! Oh!
And puts it through. A couple of seconds left on the clock.
Oh yeah, that thing's mint.
It's the worst.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da.
Very, very deep holes. Kind of like those. Yeah, just strip it. It looks like tetanus. Dude, the paint was perfect.